Hello. Show Mummy the snail. Can you show Mummy the snail? Show me the snail. Oh, wow. He's a big snail, isn't he? Yeah.
Hello, snail.
Shall we go look at the pretty trees over here?
Oh no, the red tree. Let's go on to the red tree.
Come on, you go show us. Come on, let's go have a look. Come on. Come on, you show me. Show us the way. Yeah, you go up here. You want to go up here? Up here? Come on. Let's go. Up the hill. Oh.
Get us?
Over this way. This way. You have a look at the tree. Go on. Go touch it. Touch the tree. Oh!
Dad.
You touch it again. Touch it again. Oh! What about the other one? Let's have a look at the next one. Oh! Look, let's go have a look at this one. This one over here. Oh! This one, let's go. Let's go, show Mummy. Oh! Oh! It's like, get away from my tree. Oh!
That one over there, look.
Oh, we're coming, we're coming. Oh, wow. So pretty, isn't it? Look at those flamingos over here. Have you seen the birdies down there? Come on, let's go look at the birdie flights. Come on. And look, there's North Pole over there. There's polar bears. Want to go look at the polar bears?
Look at the flamingo flying.
We're here. Walk around it. It's okay. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Oh, you got me.
Where's the birdie?
I'll throw you into the garden.
Come on, take a shot.
Look, oh, catch Lauren.
Oh, she's back.